Hello, hello. Look at my treasures. I found this cash registers outside this morning and I decided to open it. Look what I get. $10 and some leaves. Wow. I'm gonna play some louder with it later. This is inside cash register. I found it on on the trash pile outside my house. It's been there for a few weeks, but today I decided to open it. I went for it and opened it, and I found $10, two $5 bills inside, and these leaves. These are the mechanical trigger to open it, or to set the alarm or something inside. Wow, money, money, money. Hey, I'm gonna use this box. I'm gonna use it to put up to build a transmitters in it. I'm gonna build a radio transmitters, a broadcasting amplifier transmitter in this box. Over here, I can put a grill over this, and a fan, maybe two, three fans on it. Anyway, thank you for watching. I wish you be lucky like me one day. Find yourself a cash register with $1 million in it or $1,000 in it. Whoever stole this thing, I believe they stole it from a store and they took the money out because it was like half open, not half open, a quarter open. Because the tray that hold the money, it was on the ground, so they had it open, and these were way, 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 way out back. So they have no access to them. So thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe, share. Thank you. Have a beautiful day and a happy new year to all of you. I wish you all be safe. Thank you.